Mirha, a child of 8, stands transfixed before the toy store's grand window, her gaze lost in the allure of a robot toy. The toy store buzzes with life, a vibrant symphony of colors and shapes designed to ignite the imagination. Mirha envisions her younger brother Hussein, his face illuminated with joy as he talks about wanting the robot. A wistful thought escapes her lips. If only I could buy this for Hussein. The glass reflects her longing, a silent promise shimmering in her eyes. In the quiet of her bedroom, Mirha approaches her piggy bank with a hopeful heart. A cascade of coins spills forth as Mirha begins her earnest count, her eyes gleaming with anticipation. Her lips curve into a triumphant smile. It's enough! Enough for my Hussein! The simplicity of the room only amplifies the magnitude of her selfless love. In the gentle morning light, Hussein's room is bathed in a soft glow, promising a new day. Hussein stirs from his slumber, the first rays of sunlight gently caressing his face. A strange weight beneath his pillow. Hussein lifts it to reveal a mysterious gift. Wrapped neatly and tied with a ribbon, the gift sits silently. A question mark hanging in the air. Hussein stares at the gift, surprise etched on his face as he wonders who it is from. Is this for me? Hussein whispers, his voice filled with a mixture of curiosity and disbelief.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.